Hello friends, welcome to another video of this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make PowerPoint presentation very easily. Some simple steps I'll show you so that you can make your presentation. So first of all, you have to think of the topic of your presentation. Click on PowerPoint presentation icon. So you will get this interface. This area is called slide area and this is called thumbnail. So you will work on this slide area and whatever you will work, it will appear in the thumbnail. Now first of all, click to add title. There you will give a title of your presentation. So for example, I am writing save water. So this text you can move according to your need. Okay, now here click to add subtitle. Now if you want to give any subtitle to your presentation, and you can give or you can skip it. You click it and click on delete. It will disappear. Just 1 second. Now save water. Now if you want to insert any picture or clip art or shapes or word art, you can do it from here. In fact, you can add sound also from here. Now suppose I want to add one clip art. Let's see. Write what topic you want, but always you will not get all the thing in the clip art, but sometime you will get like let's see, house. So see, there are the examples. So let me insert this picture. This is for example. Now you can increase the size of this picture clip art by dragging your mouse. See how I'm doing exactly. Okay, now this is I have done the giving design and all to this first slide. This is called slide 1. Now I will give animation to this slide. I'll click on animations. First I'll give slide animation. Click here, you will get a variety of slide animation. Choose any one. After choosing one, there you will get transition speed. This transition speed you can make slow or fast or medium according to your need. Now you can keep on mouse click or you can remove it by clicking here, and you can click on automatically after. It will play the full presentation automatically. If you want to keep it on mouse click, meaning when you will click on mouse, one after another presentation will come. Now here you can set time by clicking here. So for time being, I am not adding any time here. So after giving slide transition, go to custom animation. Here custom animation will give animations to the text or the picture what you have added in the slide. So first, save water. This one I have to give animation. So click on add effect. After clicking on custom animation, click on add effect. There are entrance, emphasis, exit, motion cuts. These 4 options are there. Now in entrance also you will get a variety of animations. So you can choose any one. Like let me choose here this one. Now I am clicking OK. Now this is on click. This animation is on click. You can keep it or you can give after previous, means one after another automatically will come. Now speed is medium, so you can do it accordingly. Now next is I have to give animation to this picture, sorry, clip art. Now again I'll go to add effect. I can give emphasis, exit, motion path. So I'm choosing entrance. Then I'm choosing boomerang, this option. Now this one also on click. Let me remove on click and after previous. You can keep it. Now it is fast. Let me make it slow. So my first presentation is okay, ready. Now I'll go to second slide. Now how to go to second slide? Click on home, then click on new slide. There you will get different types of slide design. You can choose it according to your presentation, according to your topic. Now here I am choosing click to add title, this one. So here again I am giving any title. So I wrote something. So now here also I can give I can add picture from insert picture. Let me see. I'm getting it or not. Here I am getting some pictures, so let me insert it. So this picture has insert. Now done. Now I'll give animation. I'll first select this text, then I'll go to add effect. If you don't select this text, this add effect will not work. Now clicking to this text and then add effect, then entrance, then I can give any presentation. Click. Now if it is very fast, make it slow. If it is on click, as I am removing on click and I am giving after previous. Now to this picture, entrance, more effects, then this pin wheel option I have chosen. Now click. Now after previous, then speed is slow. So done. 2 animation, 2 slides I have made for a presentation. Now how to see this presentation? Click on F5 button in your keyboard and then your animation will play in this way. See the animation what I have added. As I removed on click, so it is coming automatically without clicking the mouse. Now done, as I made 2 slides on it. Now after that I have to save this presentation. So for saving, click on the save menu, then go to save as. Now there you write the file name what you want to give, then click on save. So your presentation is ready. Now you can add one after another as many slides you want to fulfill the presentation. So I hope you have understood how to make presentation.